guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this Valentine's Day look. I know it might be a little early for some, but then some it might be right on time. I just really wanted to do one, and I really wanted to play more with some pinks and do a really dramatic smoky eye. So yeah, so if you guys want to just see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Hey guys, so to obviously get this started, my eye is primed, but it is not set. I'm about to do my liner, and I just figured I'd just do that on camera today. But yeah, I just really felt like doing a Valentine's Day look. I know it's early a little bit, but I've been just really wanting to do one, and I've been playing with pinks a lot more, and I just felt like I wanted to do a really all-out kind of Valentine's Day look, so that's what we're here to do. So let's see, so to go ahead and do my liner, I'm just using a black liner from Beauty For Real. Okay, and also since that's done now, I already blended out the concealer. But to get started, I know I have a little cracking here. It's only because I recently had a breakout, and it's just it's not acting right today. So we're just gonna ignore that. But anyways, to get started, we are going to be using two Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. And for this one, I'm going into the Modern Renaissance. And for the first shade, which you will not really see too much, it is the Transitions shade, but you just really won't see it more on top. It's just to really kind of have a sense of a hint there, but again, we use it definitely at the very end to do the bottom lash. But anyways, I'm going in with my blending brush, and I'm going into, oh goodness, Buon Fresco. It's going to be that shade right there, and we're just going to again just put this all for the transition shade. And I did use this brush for the second shade that we are going to use, but it's mainly just to get it started, and then I use a different brush to blend this all together. And then now going into Love Letter and picking up a little bit of that, and then we are going to blend this all over. Again, it's going to be covered up. Why do I do this to myself? I never take off the stickers on the mirrors because I'm more interested in the palette, and I don't always use the mirrors, but lately I have been, and I'm always forgetting to take those off. Okay, so yeah, going back in to really blend this now just a bit. So we're just putting a little bit of that at a time, just to really get that first few shades of what we kind of want. Okay, so now we are completely done with those brushes. I'm just sticking to one blending brush, which is the Sigma E25. It's more on the flatter side, but definitely blends out really good. And I'm going into Venetian Red right there. And that's going to be our focus color, because at first when I was doing this look, I really wanted Love Letter, but it wasn't giving me that look that I was wanting. So when I did the Venetian Red, that was definitely the look I wanted. It has like tiny bit of like a sheen in a way, but nothing too much. So again, we're just going to get this, tap off, and we are going to again throw this all over what we just did. Okay, so this is what we have. We have a little fallout, so I'm going to brush that away quick. Okay, so here is where we are going to cut the crease. For that, I am going in with my Morphe M124 brush. yeah, my M124 brush. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, I'm going in with this, and I'm just using a foundation. You could use concealer also, whatever you want. It's just, that's what I've been doing right now. And we are just going to cut our crease. And towards the end, I wipe off because I don't want the color going further down, and I just apply more. It's just every time I get to the end, I want to make sure I don't swipe more than once, because I just don't want it bringing out here. Okay, so now that the crease is cut, I'm going into this Baked highlighter by by Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics, and it's Bellini. And I don't use these kind of highlighters for my face, so I always like to definitely use these as eyeshadows as well. So just getting a flatter brush, and I'm going to apply this all to the lid that we put the concealer foundation. And then what I also did was I picked up some on a brush, and then I just got like a setting spray, and then I really wanted it to be a little more vibrant, so I just did that again, doing like a second layer. Okay, so we definitely have the lid color and that stuff done, but I just want to go back with no extra product and kind of bring a little piece of this that I forgot to extend a little more, and just kind of go over like so. So now this is where we go into the other palette, which I'm using the Norvina palette, and I have a angled brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some glitter glue, and I'm using the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just setting that down on the bottom of my mirror, and I'm getting the angled brush, and I'm putting this where I want it to obviously go in the crease, but I'm starting in the middle so I can extend whatever direction I need to go and disperse it out, and just really follow the crease. Okay, so now that we have that laid out, to hurry up and do this quickly, I'm going into the shade Wild Child right there, and I'm going to be using the same brush because I want that eyeshadow to really stick on my brush while I apply it, so it really gets on there. So now, again, starting in the middle, and I'm going to work inward first, and then we're going to work outward. This is just how I do it. You could do it however you want. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and do my top liner first, and then we'll finish doing the bottom lash line, and then we'll do that. But I'm just going to do most of my wing, and then I'm going to come back on it to show you how I'm doing my wing for this look. Okay, so I went ahead and did that, and if you notice, this one is a little thicker now because I accidentally went really thick on this one, on more than what I was wanting. Okay, so now for the liner, I'm going to bring this in further to the corner. So let me try to do this. I really got to focus on this, so I'm not going to talk that much. I'm just going to try my best to not screw up because I'm doing it with one hand. This is what I ended up doing for my liner. I'm going to go over it a few times because I know it's not perfect right now, but like I said, I'm not done. and I wanted to do the liner first. And this is gonna bug me. Give me a second. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash. So I'm just gonna get a flat definer brush and I'm going into both Love Letter and Venetian Red. And that we're just gonna smoke out the whole bottom. And for the wing, I'm gonna extend it out right under it. No thicker, I just really want it to be visible. And then I'm bringing that also inward. So I'm gonna actually go to apply some liner real quick. Okay, so since I went ahead and fixed all that, I wanna go into Buon Fresco, whatever it's called, but that first shade we did. And I'm just getting that to blend this out on the bottom. Going back into that flat defining brush, we're picking up more of the same color of the Venetian Red and Love Letter, and now just really applying this on and really smoking it out. Right now I'm actually going to go ahead and do my mascara, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll be back to finish up the rest of the eye. Alrighty guys, so that is done. So I am now going into the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up Starburst, and I'm going to put that right under my brow bone. And then I did put a little bit in the inner corner, but I felt like that wasn't enough, so that is where we came in with the glitter. And then I'm gonna obviously go over the inner corner liners. It's just, that's how I did it. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this Stilla's liquid eyeshadow, and this is in Diamond Dust. And I'm going to really just apply that all in the inner corner. I just really wanted to add a little bit more to this look, but since I felt like it was a little on the light side, I wanted to add some pink. So what I ended up doing, I got a very, very tiny blending brush, and I went into Wild Child from the Norvina palette. Just picked up a little bit, tapped it off, and then I just added some of it to the sparkles. So we have pink and the lighter shade in there as well. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up my liner, and then we will do the lips. Alrighty guys, so the eyes are done now. I know it's a little dramatic and dark and stuff, but I really, really felt like I wanted to do that for this look. You could do it softer, but also going it over a few times to try to fix it. This is what happens. You end up with a little more dramatic of a look. So, but you know, on all honesty, I'm not that mad at it. Like, kind of liking it. So to do the lips, I'm definitely wanting to do more of the nude, because I feel like we're already dramatic enough with the eyes. I don't want to add any more pink or anything, so we are just going to go with a nude lip. So as for liner, I want to go in with the LA Girl Ultimate Matte Ultimate Intense Auto Liner in Forever Bare. It's just a very nice nudie color, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so after that, I want to tone it down a little bit more and go more on the brownie kind of side in a sense. So I'm gonna first try this. I'm gonna go in with the Tarteist lip paint in Bestie and try that, and then I think I have another one in mind I want to use. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna start off with this. Okay guys, to go over it, I'm just going to use Anastasia's lip gloss in Kristen. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and if so, please give this video a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more Valentine's looks or looks similar, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And again, this also, just to let you guys know, this video is not sponsored. I know I used a lot of Anastasia products, but it's not. It's just what I used and what I like. So yeah, with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.